Let's shift our focus to Tamil Nadu. Is Bharatiya Janata Party leader K. Annamalai set to break up with BJP? Well, they say anything is possible in politics, but there is a strong buzz that he may actually launch his own political party. Yes, posters have surfaced across Coimbatore with Annamalai's picture saying, "Fearless minds have no limits." Now, these have given birth to speculations that former Tamil Nadu BJP chief Annamalai could be preparing to launch a new political party. We've learned that Annamalai is not in Tamil Nadu right now. He's expected to reach Delhi tomorrow. He has not said anything on the speculation so far, but this made Congress MP Karti Chidambaram react on X saying one more political party in the offing. BJP meanwhile tried to downplay the speculations. And before we get to reactions from the political party, specifically BJP, let me go across to my colleagues who are tracking this story. We have Pragya as well as Dharini live with us. Pragya, to you first. I mean, what is the inside scoop? What is it that BJP's leadership here in Delhi has to say about Annamalai? Because after he stepped down from the post of Tamil Nadu BJP president in 2025, the speculation was rife that he may be given a role in the national capital, in national politics. We didn't see that really happen.
Well, you know, one of the names that had been almost finalized for the post of, General Secretary National in team of Nitin Nabeen was Annamalai. In fact, everyone, if you remember, when there was first press conference that was addressed by Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah in Chennai, Annamalai was present and he on the stage said that a bigger role is going to be given to Mr. Annamalai in the center. So that was very much clear from the very beginning, and in fact Mr. Amit Shah has also himself in fact declared that. But things did not pan out well as far as assembly elections are concerned. There were a lot of issues on which they had they did not see face to face or eye to eye. In fact, on many matters, the one and the most important one was alliance with AIADMK. Annamalai has been opposing this alliance for quite some time. In fact, in last elections also, he was the one state president. He said that there is not going to be an alliance with AIADMK. But this time, party decided that we need to go with a regional party. Party cannot go on its own in the elections just because Annamalai is a popular figure there. So it was decided on the part of the party that they will have an alliance with AIADMK. Recently, we had seen Annamalai being absent from the committee meetings, party committee meetings as well.
Right.
That was a signal enough for many that he is not going to toe party's line. And what we are hearing is that he is going to float a new party. But
is there going to be any effort to placate him maybe from the BJP side?
Well, nothing has come as of yet from the BJP side,
okay.
But we are given to understand that he is, because, there may be some, the discussions that is happening, as a back channel talks.
Right.
But Annamalai, it seems like he has decided, but
okay.
this might be a formal, sort of separation from the BJP as such. Okay. Ideology is the same, but
so
it
an
looks
official
like
breakup is something you're telling us is on the cards. The announcement could come very soon. Pragya, stay on with us.